I'm sorry, you said what? You said you're out of chicken sandwiches?
Yes. The ones in Kirkwood, Highway 6 and Westheimer should have them.
But this one on Beach Nut, you're out of chicken sandwiches?
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh. Okay, when you think you guys will have the chicken sandwich back?
On this particular occasion, it should be Wednesday.
Wednesday?
Yes, sir. But if you're going to come, I suggest you come as early as possible because a lot of people have been saying they're going to come. So, yeah, just try to come as early as possible.
Oh, so it's going to be a long line for chicken sandwiches on Wednesday?
On Wednesday, and the rest of the week should be the same.
Wow. And today is Saturday.
Yeah, but if you want to come and you actually want to get one, I suggest you come in early because I don't know if we're going to run out again.
Oh my gosh. All right, man.
Okay.
Is it because of the trend that's going on?
Yes, it really is. Because they have been out for a long time, at least like 6 months.
They've been out for 6 months and now they just now catching on.
I think I had them like around January. I have one like January.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
All right, man. Appreciate your help.
I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry I couldn't help.
All right, man.